your nose? Where's your eye? Where's your ear? Your mouth? Yo. Yeah, where's your mouth? Good job. Where's your arm? Arm? Good job. Yes. Where's your leg? Do you know where your leg is? Good job. Where's your tummy? Good job. Can I see your tummy? Show me your tummy. No? Okay. Can you say apple? Can you say waffle? Slam ball. Slam ball. Yeah. Ball. Dog. Yeah. Car. Can you say car? Yeah. Sister? Jess? Mom? Yes? Yeah. Dad? Dad's in the shower. Can you say right? Yeah. Ball. What are you looking for? Huh? Just a minute. What do you want? Well, you have all this junk. Here. Whoops. Oh, there's a charge to the ducky. What's a ducky say? Can he say duck? Duck? Following Matt around is not easy, is it? No. Turn it on. Turn it the other way. Are you driving? Huh? You help him drive? Yeah? Beep beep. Off? You want off? Say please. Thank you. Can you say thank you? Say please. You have to say please to turn it on. Please. Say please. Good job. Can you say thank you? Thank you. You have to say thank you, Mom. Turn it on. Good job. Here, put your lamb on there. There you go, a sandwich.